All right, Patriots, we're going to do this one a little bit differently than normal. Typically, I do only one problem in each video, so you can find the answers a whole lot quicker in the playlist. But this time, since numbers 10 through 15 are all pretty much the exact same thing, all we're doing is identifying from a word bank, I'm going to go ahead and do 10 through 15 all as one single video. Now, something else you need to know is I made a couple of mistakes as we're going through here. All of these boxes that are on every single problem were supposed to be an angle symbol. That's one of those ones where we had a font issue between my computer and then the woman who is printing them off, Miss White. Her computer doesn't have the exact same font set that mine does. So go ahead and make all those angle symbols. I'm going to go ahead and do angle 10 or number 10 as well. So angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7, all the way down through number 21. Also, please realize that number on the word bank, here we have same side interior. Remember in class we said that same side interior can also be, ran out of room, consecutive. So the book, the notes, we use consecutive, and I personally always say same side, which I did here as well. So let's go with number 10, angle 1 and angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 8, those guys are both exterior and on opposite sides of the transversal line, so that's an alternate exterior angle. Number 2 and number 7 are here and here. They're both interior and on opposite sides of the transversal line, so those are alternate interior angles. Now, 7 and 8, two adjacent angles that form a straight line. That is a linear pair, so LP. 2 and 5. So 2 is here, 5 is here. They're directly across from each other on the intersection of two lines. Those are vertical angles. 7 and 6. So 7 and 6, both interior, on the same side of the line is our same side or consecutive interior angles. So consecutive interior angles. And now angle 6 and angle 8, 6 and 8, from this intersection, this one's in the bottom left. From this intersection, this is the bottom left. That is corresponding angles. Now, the way I've done this, color coding them all the way through, I know the color doesn't pick up that well on my camera, but every single one that I've marked with a dark navy or black dot are all going to be congruent to each other. So 8, 6, and 1 are all congruent, and so is angle 3 there. All the ones that I've marked in green, 5, 2, and 7, are all congruent as well, and 4 is congruent with it as well. Another thing to keep in mind is that any of these that have a green and a blue dot are supplementary. Any of them that have the same color are congruent. So all 3 of these you could use a congruent statement for. One angle equals another. All the ones, if I end up with a pair of like doing a math on angle 4 and angle 6, even though there's not a special property for them, they're still going to be supplementary. So this angle plus this angle equals 180 degrees.